your spool holder is still causing too much friction that it slows down the filament during the print. This is the solution, a spool holder with almost no friction.
As you can see here, we have these scratches. The spool holder was scratched by the filament spool due to the weight, and this shows a significant friction between the holder and the spool itself, and this can cause little resistance on the filament, which means that the extruder will need a little bit more effort to move the filament. Now with this holder, the movement is very smooth. You have the impression that there is almost no friction, because the pressure applied by the weight of the spool is converted into movement that spins the rotating part of the spool holder very easily, very smoothly. Now I put a spool on the holder and I move it a little bit, and as you can see, it spins very easily. But when I put it on this one, which has no bearings, if I push it, as you can see, it doesn't spin. It doesn't spin at all, or it spins very difficultly. But here, a small movement, it spins easily because of the bearings. Here are the different elements. We have two bearings. We have this rotating part. We have the knob, and we have the holder itself. This part is printed at 100% infill, just to make sure that it is strong enough to hold everything. Now the installation is very simple. I put a bearing on both sides of the rotating part. Here there is a small chamfer that stops the bearing. I just put the bearing here and I push it inside. It's locked in place. I do the same on the other side, and there it is locked in place. Now I take this part and I insert it here, and that's all. And as you can see, it rolls very easily. And this is the knob to lock it on the spool holder. Now let's look at the section analysis. Here is the knob. This is the holder itself. These are the bearings, and this is the roller. Now let's hide the knob, the tube, and the bearings. So as you can see, there are two chamfers here on the left and on the right. These chamfers here are used to stop the bearings from moving further. These chamfers are used to prevent the bearings from moving further inside. Let's show the bearings. Here are the bearings, and they are blocked here by these chamfers on both sides. At the middle of the roller, you also have this protuberance, and this is used to strengthen the roller itself, and also balance a little bit the holder when it's moving. Okay, here is the roller itself. Here we have the bearings on both sides. Here we have the main body, the holder itself, and here we have the knob.